Hi everyone, welcome to NeuroFlash Live. I'm Casey Lemaire, Director of Marketing here at NeuroFlash, and we're super excited to have John Hosteller, our VP of Sales, on with us to talk about voice bots and their role with Service Cloud Voice. So before we get started, John, welcome to the NeuroFlash Live, and why don't you go ahead and give a brief intro and some of your background?
Thanks, Casey. Yeah, so I've actually been doing this for a long time. I started my career off on some of the early IVR platforms, things like Edify and Direct Talk and Voice Gateway, stuff that has been around for years. And we're really excited about being able to leverage this new age of technology with things like Amazon Lex. So we're super excited.
That's awesome. Well, why is NeuroFlash so excited about voice bots?
Yeah, so again, the whole team from NeuroFlash came from a company called Vicor that was eventually bought by Nuance and became Nuance's professional service division. So we have a pedigree in this many of the team members have been doing it for years. So we're really excited to be able to leverage our technology and experience across the Salesforce platform with Service Cloud Voice. Really take what we've been doing, the awesome job we've been doing on voice bots and digital engagements, and really spanning that over to Service Cloud Voice and voice bots. So we've done it for a long time, and we're happy to be continuing to do it here on the Salesforce platform.
Yeah, it kind of feels like careers have now gone full circle, right? You're bringing the old, but blending it with the new cloud-based technologies.
I can't get away from it. I tried to move into the digital side, and I just can't get away from voice.
So what are voice bots? Like, can you describe them?
Yeah, I mean, so it used to be what we called IVR. So think of repetitive tasks that can be handled with automation. So everybody's called into their bank, everybody's called into their utility. So to get account balance, to pay your bill, to automated meter readings within utilities. So all of those functions used to be called IVR, and now they're called voice bots. And really, the big difference is, voice was a cutting edge technology 10 years ago. So moving, so a lot of that was done by DTMF, which is the touchtone keypad. So now we're really moving away from touchtone keypad. The barrier to entry for speech recognition has become much lower. It doesn't require a large amount of licenses and hardware to deploy. You can really do that quickly with the Amazon Lex technology, and really we're moving to that voice technology Siri-like. Every customer has that Siri-like experience. So we're moving towards that and voice bots.
Awesome. So I know NeuroFlash has the deep expertise in bots, and we've been a leading implementation partner in terms of the Einstein bot for Salesforce. How does that expertise kind of blend itself with this now new frontier of voice?
Yeah. So I mean, it's very similar. You have to have a great customer experience. You have to have those UI UX people that really understand the mode that you're communicating and how to make that mode compelling and a great customer experience for your customers. I always equate it to, back in the day when HTML first came out, a lot of people could write HTML, they knew HTML, and there were a lot of really, really bad websites, right? So we've refined that process. So it's the same with voice bots and chat bots. So you have to make that process where customers want to use it and find value out of it, and it's not just a process for them to go through.
Awesome. So we know this new technology, right? Full circle. Voice was old and outdated. Now it's this new, fresh look on cloud and how people and customers are interacting with this. Where does it go? So you turn on a voice bot. Where can we go from that? Is it just deploy voice bot and you just drop it, or is there an ongoing process with voice bots?
Yeah, so it's an ongoing process. The voice bot is there to deflect simple questions. So the ROI model is the same. So in voice we call it containment. So how many calls can I contain within that voice bot to automate those really simple questions and things that the agents frankly don't want to handle and are overskilled to handle. You don't need an agent to repeat an account balance to a customer. You don't need an agent to give a case status to a customer.
Right.
So those are the things you want to contain within automation so that they're not getting to an agent. But on the flip side of that, there are the more complex scenarios. So you want your voice bot to be able to engage that customer, get them to the right place as quickly as possible. So you don't want to get them stuck in that IVR tree that we always hear about and hate. So really get the information from them, get them to the right agent to be able to handle that. And along with that, make sure that information that you've collected is given to the agent so that they can efficiently handle and reduce that average handle time. So that's how it comes full circle, right? There's a point for automation. If that doesn't happen, get them quickly to an agent so that agent can service them.
Awesome. So yeah, definitely more increased CSAT, right? I know I hate sitting in that phone tree. I've done that and it's the worst experience ever. So really exciting to see this shift in consumerism and how technology is changing the landscape and the fabric of what customer service is.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, John. That's all the time we have today. Thank you so much for joining. If you want to learn more about voice bots or how NeuroFlash can help you deploy them, contact NeuroFlash. We're here. We help customers every day handle these solutions. So let us know. We're happy to help you. Thanks.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone.